Welcome, Bowie High School Technology Education students. Today's assignment is to create an informal orthographic projection of an object. We're calling it an informal orthographic projection because we're not worried about exact measurements and dimensions. We just want to make sure that you have the concept of orthographic projections. As you know from the video that you watched on the research page, an orthographic projection is a way to represent a 3D object in 2 dimensions. We show the elevations or the views of the front, the side, and the top. So your very first step is you need to pick an object. Your best sort of object is like this first one, something made out of Legos or bricks or blocks. You, however, could also use something like this bookcase from a dollhouse, a tiny little dollhouse itself, or even this little, I think it must be a hurdle. If you use something that has curved edges, please feel free to draw it as if it has straight edges just to make your life a little bit easier. So in order to do the online version of this, you are going to go to this website right here, which is this website. We are going to create an isometric version of an object. An isometric shows the 3D in one single view. And we are going to create that using this brick tool right here. I'm going to use my Lego object. As we can see, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little block things. We are going to pretend that this Lego thing is the same width as it is tall. Again, just to make it easier for ourselves to draw it. So I'm not going to use the dark black because when you use the dark black, you can't see anything about what's the front or side or whatever. If you put something on here that you want to get rid of, you click on the eraser and just click it and it goes away. So I'm going to choose the dark gray and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I change my color. The next one is yellow. So I change my color to yellow. And I start up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then make another row. And I keep going. And then, of course, I switch to the red for the last row and just put that up here on top. So what I will end up with is something that looks like this. The next step is we want to see it as an orthographic projection. And in order to do that, I go to the Inspect tab and I click 2D. And then we can see our front projection, our side or right projection, and our top projection. This also gives us a map view. You can see that this is a single level, this has 2 levels, and this has 3 levels. So that just helps you see the depth of whatever it is that you're drawing. What you need to do here is you need to take a screenshot of both the orthographic projection and the isometric projection. If it's possible for you to take a picture of your actual object, that would be good to do as well. To find out how to do screenshots in the various electronic devices we have, please check the link on the assignment page.